Hello everyone, good evening. Today's date is 30 November 2021 and our today's video topic is containment in Java. As we know, Java is an object oriented programming language. So the containment in Java is very important features in OOPS, that is in object oriented programming language. So containment in Java is a common approach in which if there are two classes, that is by name A and B, and if A class required to extend or acquire the properties of the B class, we use inheritance. But in inheritance, we acquire all the properties of the parent class or the A class. But sometimes there is a need to take or there is need to inherit only one properties or required properties. That time it is a drawback of the inheritance. We can't extend required properties as per our requirement. We, so to overcome that drawback, the containment plays very important roles in OOPS. So in containment, we use the object of another class, or we create the object of the another class, and that object is used as a data member in current class, so that we can inherit or we can acquire the required properties of that class as per our requirement. There are there is a one real time example or the one example of the containment that I will explain right now. So let's consider there are the three classes. First one is a living things. Next is a human being, and third one is an animal. So in that case, the living things is explaining or it shows the common properties of the living things in the words. Here the class by name human is extending the class living things. So in living things we use some data members or some properties, like the living things can talk, can walk, can run. So there's all the properties we can inherit in a human class, because the human class is representing the properties of the humans. So the human can talk, can walk, can run, but it will not make any sense when we extend this all properties in animal class, because the animal class because the animal can run, can walk, but they can't talk. But if we use inheritance, in that case by default it acquire that property, that is a talk property, but it will not make any sense. So to overcome that drawback, we use a containment. So in that case we make one class that is a first class, that is a living things, and we use the object of the living things in a animal class, so that we can acquire or inherit the required the properties. Next I will explain difference between the inheritance and containment. So in inheritance, parent class acquires all the properties of the child class acquires all the properties of the parent class, or we inherit all the properties to another class. That property is known as the inheritance. But in containment, we only inherit or we only use the required properties of the parent class or the another class. So that is a containment. In inheritance, it represents is a relationship, but in case of the containment, it shows has a relationship. Next, in inheritance, by default it acquire all the properties of the parent class when we extend the parent class in child class. But in case of the containment, it is different. In case of the containment, we only extends or acquire required properties of the parent class. So that was all about the containment in Java. Thank you so much.